Tornado, tornado guy, spin me around, spin me around, spin me around. I done had enough, I done had enough. Tornado, tornado, tornado guy. Why don't you settle down? You're not that much of a chump either. So look at your oldest. Look at your oldest, my man. I don't know if this is words of putting in your sense because you never listen to music in the first place. But put the words in your sense, my man. Don't mess with me if you know what's good for you. And keep it as secret. Keep it as secret. Cause you don't know me. And you don't want to know me. Because you're in that tornado. 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 Start loving somebody. Because the ace is here. And you don't like it. And you can go wherever you want to go. Cause I'm not a judge of a man. But if you want to be, it's your own goddamn appointment self. Your own goddamn appointment self. Your own goddamn appointment self.